Hi folks, and welcome to WaypointGuru, a route planning tool for building driving or motorcycle routes exactly the way you want. I'm going to walk through the basics of creating a route, shaping it a bit, and then saving it and exporting it to a GPX file. WaypointGuru is centered around the map, where you can see your route, add waypoints, and shape it. On the left is the route panel, which lists all your waypoints and lets you reorder, edit, or remove them. Alright, let's create our first route from scratch. I'm going to plan a pretty popular Brisbane ride, from the Gap out to the Blackbutt Bakery for lunch. So first, we need a starting point. I'll search for the BP in the Gap. Next, we'll search for the Blackbutt Bakery and add it as the destination. Since there's only a starting point right now, the insert at setting defaults to end, so this becomes the destination. Next, let's add a breakfast stop along the way at the Nash Gallery and Cafe in Esk. I'm going to zoom in on the map, click on it, and then choose to add it as a middle waypoint. We'll probably stop there for about 45 minutes, so I'll set that as the layover time. The default route before breakfast is pretty boring, so I'll change this section to very curvy, and that should make it a lot more fun to ride. I know I want to go via Esk Hampton Road, so I'll just grab the route and pull it over onto that road. That adds a shaping point. It's not a place we plan to stop. It just makes sure the route goes through that spot. I'm pretty sure there's a more fun way up to Blackbutt. So let's switch this section to curvy and see what it does. That's looking pretty good. So I'll go ahead and save it. By the way, you'll need to create a free account to do this that lets you store your routes and come back to them later. Now, if I want to do that, I can find the route in my recent routes or open the route manager from the main menu. The route manager is where you organize and manage all your saved routes, but I'll cover that in another video. If you want to share the route, there are a couple of options in the main menu. You can copy a link to the route, which always reflects the latest saved version. Or you can copy a snapshot link, which is just a fixed copy of how it looks right now. And if you want to use it on a GPS, just export it as a GPX file. The standard export often works fine, but with a premium account you can enable more advanced options for better compatibility with some devices. And that's it. That's all you need to get started building your own routes. But there's plenty more you can do from here, which we'll cover in later videos. Thanks for watching, folks, and I'll see you in the next video.